Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a new liquidity pool on ICDEX. So to begin this process, first we'll need to connect our wallet in the top right, and then we'll navigate to the pooling page here under the ICDEX drop-down menu. Now on this page, we can find the pool creation option on the right side here. And once we open this up, we can see some information regarding the creation costs, and it notifies us that holding either a Neptune, Uranus, or Saturn planet card NFT will significantly reduce the fees involved. These NFTs all carry their own unique benefits, and this is just one example of how holders can benefit from them. For those of you interested in learning more or acquiring one of them, you can find the NFT page under the More option in the top, and I'll leave a link in the description as well. So for holders of either of these three planet cards, you'll pay 50 ICL, which would be about $5 right now. And for non-holders, the fee is 500 ICL, which is about $50 with the current ICL price. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to switch to our testing site at this point, since I don't actually need to create a pool, and I don't want to create one that people are unlikely to use. The UI of this testing site looks slightly different, but the process will be the same in the live environment, so you should be able to follow along easily. Now, if you have the required discount NFT, you would deposit on this window and then select the discounted option on the left side. But since I only have Mercury, which doesn't qualify for this, I need to select the option on the right to create the pool without an NFT. Now it's going to ask that you approve your funds, so if you're connected through Plug, you'll have to accept in the pop-up window it gives you. And next, it's going to take us to the pool configuration page. This page is where we select the pairing we want to create the pool for. We can name the pool, and we have critical strategic aspects like the spread and liquidity limits that we can adjust here. As you can see on this page, there's a nice guide table for figuring out where you may want to set the spread percentage. For example, if we're creating a pool on a lower liquidity trading pair that might have a lot of volatility, then it's recommending us to set this to 5 to 10%. This means the pool's grid orders will have a wider price difference separating them, and this will help to protect pool participants from more extreme volatility if the pairing doesn't have much liquidity to support the pair's buying or selling pressure. Now, at the bottom, the threshold and vol factor options aren't really necessary to adjust. However, you can use these to create limitations on how much liquidity someone can provide to the pool beyond a certain point. And these limitations favor liquidity providers which have a higher volume on the pairing, allowing for them to deposit larger amounts of liquidity than other traders with lower trade volume, once this threshold figure is passed. And you can of course hover over the information icons next to each of these if you want to see a breakdown of how it works. Now, once we're satisfied with our configuration of this page, we just need to hit submit and pay the fee for creating the pool. Now, it may take a bit for our new pool to display, but once enough time has passed, it should reflect here. Hopefully this video was helpful, but if you encounter any issues with this process or have any questions about the platform in general, please feel free to reach out to us in our community channels linked in the description, and we'll be happy to assist you.